Hey everybody! So today's video is being done in collaboration with Beebeecraft.com, and Beebeecraft is a crafting company and they have sent me these jar molds which I am going to be making some jars with. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. So Beebeecraft has a YouTube program where if you have over 100 subscribers and subscriber engagement and other criteria that are met, you can apply to be part of their YouTube program. And basically what it is they will send you products and you can review the products and do videos for them. So it's definitely a great program. If you're interested, I'm going to put the link to apply down in the description box so you can find it down there. So it's the next day and I'm going to go ahead and demold this jar carefully because right here is a little sharp. Let's see if I can just break the seal here. And here is the bottom. Okay. There we go. I think it's pretty. Very pretty. And you can put whatever you wanted in there, really.
Was done, you my only one. Heartbeats moving fast, future came at last. Holding you so close, you're the one I chose. Forever yours, my love. Stars align above. You my best of friends. Love that never ends. Laughter fills our days. In your arms I stay. Feel your warmth around. Love so deep, profound. World can turn and change. Feelings never stray. Together we stand, hand in loving hand. Forever yours, my love. Stars align above. You my best of friends. Love that never ends. World can turn and change. Feelings never strange. Together we stand, hand in loving hand. Forever yours, my love. Stars align above. You my best of friends. Love that never ends. Colors blend and swirl. Imagination in the air. Hands that shape the world. Art is everywhere. Pour the liquid gold. Watch it set like stone. Creativity unfolds. We make the magic our own. Resin dreams take flight, shining in the light. Every piece unique, artistic streak. Brush strokes and molds, passion takes control. Vision turning bold, crafting for the soul. Every mistake's a treasure, each flaw a new pleasure. Art isn't about perfection, it's all about the expression. Pour the liquid gold, watch it set like stone. Creativity unfolds. We make the magic our own. Resin dreams take flight, shining in the light. Every piece unique, artistic streak. Brush strokes and molds, passion takes control. Vision turning bold, crafting for the soul. Every mistake's a treasure, each flaw a new pleasure. Art isn't about perfection, it's all about the expression. Flowing like a stream, resin in the gleam. Fulfillment like a dream. We are a team. Take the resin in my hands, turn it into gems that stand. Pieces of my heart and soul, shape the sparks that make me whole. Colors flow from deep within, patterns on my skin begin. Each creation says a prayer.
Okay, it's later the same day, and I'm going to go ahead and demold this jar mold and see how it come out.
Gems of pure expression, life's eternal show. Breathing in the atmosphere, every drop and every tear. Paint a world that's wild and free. Art becomes reality. Crafting dreams from midnight's glow. With these hands my stories grow. Breathing, feeling, living true. Gems reflect on me and you. Turn it into magic. Feel the resin flow. Gems of pure expression. Life's eternal show. Breathing in the atmosphere, every drop and every tear. Paint a world that's wild and free. Art becomes reality. Crafted dreams from midnight's glow. With these hands my stories
Thank you so much for watching, everybody. These are the completed pieces, and I think they came out great, and I hope you do too. Have a wonderful day, everybody, and thank you to Beebeecraft for sending me these products. Bye, everyone.